Dude, what's going on, man? I got another video for y'all today, and this is gonna be a talking video, just a talking video. It's gonna be about what you should be doing and how long you should be brushing your hair for a beginner 360 waiver. Stay tuned. All right, man, if you're a beginner waiver, you definitely, what you want to do is, I'm not going to present any of the products. If you want any of the products that I am talking about right now, click the link below. They're all in order, so just listen to me and then click on them and they'll pop up. All right, so if you're a beginner waiver, you're just starting off your waves, what you want to do and how long you want to brush your hair for, you definitely want to start off with a 45 to an hour brush session each day. Now you can see how my waves looking right now, looking pretty decent. You know what I'm saying? You know, we working. You see how we doing it. So brush your hair every single day. You want to get you a comb. You want to get a hard, medium, and soft brush to start off with. If you're a beginner waiver, you really want to make sure you're doing this every single day. Tomorrow I think I'm gonna upload a morning method for you all as well, because I think a morning method will really dice it down, really chop it up, get nitty gritty, you know, get in the important stuff, you know what I'm saying? So if you're a beginner, an hour, take notes, 45 to an hour brush session, get you a comb, a hard, medium, and soft brush, and hold on, make sure you get an oil and a pomade. You get the pomade for the crown, so you can see how my crown looking. I'm actually about to wash my hair, so that's why it's looking like this. I already combed it out a little bit. You get the pomade for the crown area, like right around this area, and then you get the oil for, you know, the fronts, the sides, and the back. So you definitely want to cop that, man. So take notes. Again, get you a pomade, get you an oil, and I almost forgot. Hold on. Make sure you get you a nice silky do-rag. If you want any of the do-rags that I'm using, the link is in the description below. Again, the products are in order, so you can just click on them. Very cheap products. They got Thanksgiving sales going on and Christmas sales. So definitely copy some of them products. Again, get you a hard, medium, and soft brush. Get you a comb. Get you a silky do-rag. Get you a pomade and oil. Hey man, that's all you need. I'm telling you, if you get all those and you're brushing 45 to an hour brush session each day, you can start seeing some progress in a week. All right, man, if you enjoyed this talking video, hey man, support your boy Marcel, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, put on the notifications, man. Hey, I'm on a road to at least I think I'm trying to get 100 to 200 subscribers. I want to get 500 before January, but I think that's pushing too much. But let's work with 100 to 200 right now. Hey man, you see this video, again, like, comment, subscribe. Hey man, I'm dropping bangers this week. I'll catch you boys later. I gotta go wash my hair. Hey man, see you in the next one. Peace.